Good afternoon, good morning. My name is Jean-Marie Olivier. I'm an accountant, a tax accountant, and also an enroll agent representing taxpayers in front of the Internal Revenue Service. I'm here just to talk about some financial highlights for the next tax season coming up in 2026. For the new big, beautiful bill that will pass during this current administration, that's going to give us a great advantage of using these five new tax deductions that will come to us during this next season. Let's look at each and every one of them. The first one could come up as deductions for senior citizens. You could say senior citizens that are over 65. You have number two deductions where you get some qualified deductions for people that work overtime. Up to $12,500 deduction. No tax on tips. That's the third one. And the tips is up to $25,000. No tax on tips. That is very interesting. And you also have, if you look at the itemized deductions, which is the fourth one, when they had the tax cut, the TGOA, when they had the tax cut in 2018, there was a big talk about the $10,000 that were capped when you pay a property tax. But now the tax cut, the property tax has been raised up to $40,000. That is really a big break. Where a lot of taxpayers did make that complaint for property tax. The taxes were over 10,000, and that was capped. So that's going to be a big break when you pay for the salt tax is a state and local tax, as well as the sales tax as well. So and the last one, the fifth one, is the car loan interest. The car loan interest is very important. I remember way back in the early 90s, they had late 80s, they had interest to be deductible. But now they're coming back again. Car loan interest on the itemized deductions, and that's going to be up to $10,000. So you get to see those five new OBB tax deductions. The big, beautiful bill tax deductions. Talking about the seniors up to 6,000, the overtime up to 12,500, no tax on tips up to 25,000, and you get the state and local tax up to $40,000, and the car loan interest going to be up to $10,000. That is going to be some new things. And I suggest taxpayers and, around the country, please take advantage of these tax deductions. Don't leave them on the table. That's savings for your pocket. My name is Jean-Marie Olivier. My number is 954-781-0421. Again, 954-781-0421 for more information. Thank you.